Welcome to our tour of London. This is our visit to the garden at 120 for views across London with trees, bushes and flowers. Tranquillity in the City of London.
In Leadenhall Market in the heart of the City of London, the nearest stations are the Monument and Bank on the Central, Northern, District and Circle lines.
Welcome to London Visited, where each week we share with you the views, facts and history of the great places in London. We love sharing the world's best capital city with you. This LED display is on the roof by the entrance to the lift on the ground floor. This is on display 24 hours a day and great to see at any time. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel so you can see all our new videos each week.
Opened in March 2019, this garden is on the 15th floor of 120th Fenchurch Street. The views are 360 degrees across London, taking in the historical skyline.
It is open Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. between 1st of April and 30th of September, and Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. for the rest of the year. It is closed on bank holidays. How much is it to get in?
Incredibly, entrance is free and there is no need to book because it is on a first-come basis and is completely accessible to everyone.
We're now going to let you enjoy this peaceful garden.
This garden is often confused with the Sky Garden, which is in the large building you can see here, otherwise known as the Walkie-Talkie. It's higher, but with the Sky Garden, the views across London are much more limited, plus you need to book in advance.
This is the London Eye in the background. This is an amazing view of St Paul's Cathedral.
Plants include wisteria, fruit trees, jasmine and many others. The smell from the jasmine alone in early summer is incredible.
There is plenty of seating spread across the garden to take in all different views, plus there is also a coffee trolley for hot and soft drinks and small snacks.
It's hard to believe this is in the centre of the bustling city, but as you can see here, it's quiet, and this was filmed at 5:30 in the evening.
Over the road from the ground floor entrance is a small supermarket, and we'd recommend you buy lunch there, take it to the garden, sit back and enjoy.
For more information, please visit the garden at 120 on their website www.thegarden@120.com.
What did you like about the garden in this video? Put it in the comments down below, and also we'd like you to tell us where to film next time. I hope you enjoy and share this with everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Join us next week for another brand new London visited video. Bye from all of us.